Okay, here's my IMAP sensors. The old one and the new one. Problem is, it's not just the IMAP. See, you can actually see how the new one looks compared to the old one. She's got about 100,000 miles on her. I'm going to clean the old one, use it as a spare. Now, here's the problem on my truck. The IMAP sensor is down there. You can see the hole down there. It's not easy to get to. It's down through there. So they didn't put it in a good place. They put it in a very bad place. You can't just see it. You can't just get to it. It's very difficult to get to down there. So you can see the hole down there. But a little bit of work. If I bring you back over here, it's through there. Very, very difficult. But I'm going to change it, and it's going to be good. Thank you. Have a good one. How do you clean this sensor? In this case, I use this. It's a very good cleaning agent, and it leaves absolutely no residue. I'll put it in there, then I'll cap it, and I'll let it sit a couple hours, and then I'll clean it out. Or you can buy a good electronics cleaner, but you need to use ether. Ether does not leave a residue. Everything else leaves a residue. In this case, this one is, you saw the new one, and you see this one. It very needs to get cleaned. But, again, I want to use ether. And that's the best thing to do. Okay, if you're having similar problems with the code popping up, you need to clean this. Now I'm going to keep this one as a spare. I put the new one on, and this one is my backup. So if I have any problems, I'll have it. Okay, thank you, and enjoy the video. Goodbye. You go back in the refrigerator. Now, there's ether in there, which we all know is highly explosive. Also, because ether has such a low evaporation point, boiling point as it's called, I keep it in the refrigerator. So I'm putting the sensor into the refrigerator because ether evaporates at a very low temperature. I keep my ether in the refrigerator back there just for cleaning things like electronics. So, when I do this, I'm going to leave it in there, and I put it in the Ziploc bag because I don't need to fall down and go boom. So, when you clean it with the ether, if you want to keep ether, keep it, buy it proper. You then put it in the ether, but while it soaks, because it's a very good solvent for electronics with no residue, you put it in the refrigerator. It needs to stay cold, or she's going to get a bit, well, she'll evaporate into the air, very low temperature. So basically, I think it's about, I forget, less than 100 degrees. So it evaporates low. I keep in the refrigerator. No problem. I could keep in the freezer and still be liquid. But keep my ether there. I'm soaking it now. I'll soak it for 2-3 hours. Then I'll take it out. I'll see about cleaning it very minorly with air. I'll blow it clean with air and see how it works. Now this map sensor is becoming my backup, not my primary. I put a new one in. If I get stuck out on the road, I will put this one in, and then I'll go buy a new one. I will keep an extra, but I will not. Well, I don't like to just clean them and then reuse them unless I need to. Because over time they do wear out, and every time you take it off, it's best to just replace it out. Okay, thank you, and I'll show it to you when I'm done. Bye. Here's the sensor. You saw it a little while ago. It was all clogged up. You can't 100% Clean it. It looks nothing like it did. I left it for 2 hours in ether. I got a giant amount of dirt out, and it's usable. It's going to become my backup. You can see the big difference. Now it'll function. Before, it gave me an error code 102. Some say they give no error codes. They can. They can cause other things. Now, I accidentally left it in too long. But, okay, I have to go back to my regular maintenance. Every 50,000, clean it. But this is the old one. And she looks usable. She will be backed up now. She'll be my emergency if I need it out on the road. There you go. Cleaning an IMAP. Thank you.